Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah and you are most welcome. So today's video is going to be a birthday vlog. My sister recently celebrated her birthday and I put together a little braai for her. So this video is going to be showing you the process of how I got everything together, and I hope you guys like the video. So to make the marinade, I simply combined some lacto, I added some chutney sauce, I also added some meat tenderizer, I added some paprika, I put some barbecue spice in there as well, and some chicken spice, and then I added some cooking oil as well, and I combined that together to make the marinade. I generously applied the marinade to the T-bone steak, and then I seasoned it with some salt as well. Then chopped up some garlic, added it to the remaining marinade. I added some sweet chili sauce and some salt, and I used that to marinate the pork chops. We also had some country style brewvos, but that already comes seasoned pretty well, so I didn't have to do anything to it. Just put it in the dish with the rest of the meat, and I let that sit for a good while. Next up, I had to go and collect the cake. I ordered a semi-naked carrot cake with some roses and macaroons as decorations, and it turned out amazing. Guys, how amazing does this cake look? So pretty. For the salad, I made a simple garden salad. I combined some lettuce leaves, some cucumber, some tomato, and some grated carrot, and that was it. This is the final setup. And of course, guys, we had cassava because cassava makes the food slap even better. And that's it, guys. That is the finished product. The food tasted amazing, if I do say so myself. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.